Hi there, Dillingham, travel blogger in the Croatian city of Rovinj today. R-O-V-I-N-J, Rovinj. And I know Dubrovnik down in southern Croatia gets most of the attention, and perhaps rightfully so because it's been featured in so many movies and TV shows. But I want to introduce you to northern Croatia today. It's a region called Istria, and it is home to some amazing cities and beautiful coastlines as well.
Rovinj is an ancient port city and located on what used to be an island before the water was filled in to create a land bridge. Its maritime heritage is evident today with a harbor full of boats and a fishing industry which, aside from tourism, is a driver of the local economy. Rovinj is home to only about 14,000 residents. Its past link to Italy is alive and well with Italian-style architecture and Italian flags still flying. The cobblestone streets are lined with outdoor cafes and stores, from souvenir shops to high-end stores, along with grocery stores for you to stock up on supplies. A market opens daily where Croatian merchants can come sell local produce, olive oils, and more. Rovinj features a rocky coastline but also several man-made swimming spots with ladders built down into the Adriatic Sea for easy access in and out of the warm blue water. Bikers will enjoy trails on either side of Rovinj. They'll take you down the coast through some crowded beaches and some more isolated spots for swimming. No matter where you dive in, wear water shoes to protect against the sharp rocks and also the sea urchins lurking among them. Other reasons to leave the beautiful city streets include a variety of boat tours and excursions, including a 3-hour ferry ride from the port to Venice, Italy for the day. Sunrise is my favorite time of day here. Let's just say the city doesn't get up early, so it's the perfect time to be alone walking the streets. They'll be empty, with just a coffee shop or pastry shop open for early risers. The end of the day is much busier in the streets, as most people seem to gather at the western tip of Rovinj to catch the sunset. Rovinj is famous for delivering colorful sunsets, and despite the crowd which flocks here nightly, there's plenty of room to set up a blanket and a glass of wine to enjoy this view. Now, as for getting to Rovinj, in northern Croatia, you can fly to Ljubljana, Slovenia, and drive the 2 hours south, or fly to the city of Pula, Croatia, further down the Istrian peninsula, and drive the 45 minutes, stopping in other Croatian cities along the way. There aren't any cars allowed in Rovinj, so you'll either have to walk in or take a golf cart like this. We stayed at the Melagran, one of just a few hotel options in the city center, and they sent a cart out to get us.
Now, what is the best time of year to visit Croatia? Frankly, any time, but I would say May and June are great months. I would skip July and August due to the huge crowds, and then September I think would be a prime month to visit. All right, that's it from Croatia. I'll see you guys next time.